All right, in this video, I'm going to dive into the world of Skool. So if you haven't heard of Skool, it's an online platform that helps you build out your very own community. So these are just some examples of the communities that are out there. Lots of people are using Skool to really build out free communities and then also paid and monetized communities. So if you haven't heard of Skool, it's brought to us by our very own Sam Ovens. If you haven't heard of Sam Ovens, he built out consulting.com, which was a very successful coaching business that actually Sam ended up selling to go all in on Skool. And I remember him talking about Skool. We've been using it for well over 2 years now. And I remember him talking about why he set up Skool. And it's because when he built his business, he was piecing together all these different bits of software, like course providing software, community software, and then also like calendars and things like that. And what he wanted to do with Skool is just really bring it all together to streamline things and have everything in one place. So the platform is growing and he's adding a lot more features to it as well. And more recently, the news that came out, you may have seen this, is that Alex Hormozy actually invested in Skool. Now, Alex owns acquisition.com. He does invest in other businesses, but he hasn't invested like this before. So I think he invested over 200 million inside of Skool, and he's actively promoting it to really endorse it and bring more people over to Skool. So yeah, super interesting with these two huge influences in the market pushing this product. Skool is very interesting, and it's super exciting times for the online community software space. So let's dive into Skool and really take a look at it, dive into some of the features. I'm going to go into the overall Skool community. So this is the community that they've created for Skool. And then I'm going to show you our group as well and show you kind of how easy it is to create certain things. So the first thing you'll see is this is the Skool platform. Now it can be accessed on desktop, and also there's now a mobile app as well, which is pretty cool and super simple. Now I love the simplicity of Skool. I love the actual user interface and how easy it is to use. So the first element is the community element. So this is really where all of your members come in, they can interact with each other, they can post, and then they can comment and like on other posts as well. So super simple. You can literally come in here, you've got your title, then you can put in your text, you can attach files, you can add videos, you can do polls, and also you can add emojis and then add categories as well. So you see the different categories here. And then you can filter by those categories as well to really find that information you're looking for. You can also search in here as well if there's certain keywords you're looking for, certain posts, and you can bring up those as well. So you can also pin posts as well. So you can see here, these are pin posts from Sam in the Skool community, and then lots of other people in here are posting and commenting as well. So yeah, really simple community element. Again, what I like about Skool versus say a Facebook group is it's all in one place. You control the members inside of your group, and then obviously you can have more of like a distraction-free community, whereas on Facebook, there's a lot of elements that will distract them, like notifications and other groups and other places to go and things like that. So with the Skool community, you can obviously gate that. You can only have certain members coming in, and you can obviously only allow them to come in, and then you can kind of have that one place for your members to be in. Now, obviously, with joining a Skool community, you do have to create like your username and put your profile up there and your bio, which adds a little bit more friction to people joining. You've also got to get them to adopt the Skool platform, which could be a little bit more tricky. But again, it might help with the quality of your community as well. So if you've got a little bit more friction, then maybe higher quality people are going to join, and you're going to get less time wasters and tire kickers in there as well. So the community element I really like I said, super simple, and love the user interface. Next, you've got the classroom element. So this is where you can host all of your courses, and I love that this is like linked all in one place with the community and the classroom, so people can come back into the community and post and talk about topics and interact with each other. Because at the end of the day, when you're building an online business, if you've got a community, it's really good to get not only your content out there and you can speak to community, but also get your community talking to each other and interact with other like-minded people around a similar topic. So I really like those two elements, having the community and classroom together. So in here, like I said, you can create as many courses as you want, and it's super simple to use. You upload kind of your banner and then name it, and then inside each course, you've got the different modules, you've got sections, you can add as many sections as you want. And then in here, you can upload your videos, add your text, add transcripts, add links, and things like that. With the videos, you have to upload them to another platform, which is probably one of the downsides to it. You can't just upload a video directly to Skool. You have to either use like a Loom link, a Vimeo link, a Wistia link, or a YouTube link. So I believe that feature might be coming, but at the moment you do have to kind of host those videos elsewhere and then upload them into Skool, which is probably one downside, but I don't mind that. You can record on Loom and just upload that directly in, so that's pretty easy to do. So we'll dive into like actually creating these and show you how simple it is to do a little bit later in this video. Next, you've got calendars. So this is really interesting because you can load in, like if you have a free community or you have a paid community and you're offering calls like Q&A sessions or live workshops or specific topics that you want to cover, you can load those call times into the calendar and then obviously add where they're located. So again, you can't directly like live stream into Skool. You do have to use like Zoom or Google Meet, which will take them out of the platform, but you can have all that information in here, including where it is, the time, and what it covers. And what is really cool about this is if you run a business globally, which we do, and obviously I'm based in the UK, if you can't tell by the British accent, time zones can be pretty tricky sometimes. So if you've got a call that's in your time zone, it will show in my account in GMT. But if you've got American clients or Canadian clients, it's going to show in their time zone in their account. So if I set it to say 5 p.m. my time, it's going to show at what time zone they're in, which can help with people showing up to calls. You don't have to go to Google and do the time zone conversions. So that's pretty awesome that you can do that inside of the account. Next, you've got members. So obviously you can see all your members in here. You can see obviously their name, the profile picture, whether they're online, and their bio as well. So you can get to understand your members a little bit more as well. Now, a really awesome feature that I love about Skool is the leaderboard. So this really adds gamification to your community. So you can see here, I am at the moment in the Skool community, I'm a level 1 noob. That's just because I've not really engaged inside of Skool. I've posted a few things, asked a few questions when it first got started, but I've been using the platform for quite some time now and understand it pretty well. But what you can do is you can gamify your own community. So you can set different levels, and then as people go through and interact, comment, like, post, or watch any of your course content, you start to level up. And then with that level, they can unlock new courses and get access to more materials. So it allows you to really encourage people to go through and actively post in your community and interact, but also go through your content as well. Another feature is really cool, and we do this in our community, is you can use the leaderboards to really incentivize. So we pay out kind of like a incentive every month through like gift cards or prizes for the top 3 people that are on the leaderboard. So again, it gamifies that to encourage your members to interact in your community, post, which is pretty cool. So you can do that as well. And these can all be customized as well. So if you've got a specific niche that you're targeting and you want to name them around that niche, like Sam has here, then you can change all these names and obviously make that more aligned with your business. You've got an about section as well. So obviously you can create your own landing page for people to join the groups. You can tell people like what that course is about and how they get access to it. So you can add all that information in here. So some other really cool features that I like is the message feature. So you can have chats inside of Skool. Why I like this is because if you're using like a Facebook community and you're trying to interact and have conversations with some of your members in your Facebook community, you might not be able to do a large amount of volume. You might not be able to speak to a lot of people in one day because Facebook might block you. You might get soft blocked or hard blocked, and then you can't do anything inside of Facebook. Whereas in Skool, that doesn't exist. You can have as many conversations with your members as you like, and you can have them private chats inside of the chat feature. So I really like that feature, and that works both on desktop and mobile as well. You've also got notifications. So if a member posts something or interacts with something, you're notified, and vice versa. So if you post something, all your members are notified. And a cool feature about that as well is if you post something, you can also I think it's once a week. You can also say like email all of my members about this post, and that will directly email them saying this has just been posted, and that brings people back to your community. So really like those features, and obviously be able to like get people to come back to the group and engage. So I want to show you how easy it is to really get your Skool community up and running and actually use the software. So this is a community that we've created, and this is really for anyone that wants to monetize their passion, skills, and expertise using a Skool community. It's free to join. And again, it's just something we've recently started, so it is a growing group. But I want to show you kind of how you can really kind of set up a course quite quickly. So in the classroom, it's pretty simple. You just click on new course, name your course description, and then choose who you wanted to have access. So if you wanted to restrict access, you can, and then obviously gamify it at members at certain levels. So once you've done that, you can upload the cover, which is what you'll see here where it says start here. And then from there, it's really as simple as just coming in. You can add a module in a set. So that's just adding a module in here, like so. And then, or you could come in here and just create a new set, which is like a new section. So really, really simple to kind of add content. Once you've clicked on that module, you can click edit. And then, like I said, you can add videos. So it's YouTube videos, Vimeo, Loom, or Wistia. Add that video and then really add any of the copy that you want to add to this, and then add images, hyperlinks, anything like that. So yeah, really simple to use. I've used so many other platforms before, and it's a little bit more complex, and you've got to brand a lot of things, but Skool and Sam and the team have made it super simple to really get started and add courses in here, and everything's really kind of out the box and ready to go with it. So absolutely love using it, and it's super simple to kind of get everything set up on here. So how could you use Skool to really kind of help you grow your online business? So community is a huge part of building online business. If you can start to build a community and get like-minded people together, you can really just add value and create a really strong community and build from there. So you could create a free community where you're dropping value in there, and then you're trying to kind of bring people into maybe a higher ticket program. But you can also create a free group and then take them over from a free group to maybe a paid group as well. So this is pretty common in the space right now, where people are using Skool groups and then taking people over and really bringing them into more of a paid plan where they get more expertise and more help on it. So yeah, overall, this could be used as mainly like a free group could be used like a lead magnet, and then taking them over into a paid community. And that's what we talk about in this group here. So yeah, all in all, features of Skool, absolutely love it. Obviously, things could be added, and it's getting better and better over time. But if you are looking to set up a Skool community or build a community, I would definitely look at Skool. And if you want to join this group to learn more about how to use Skool, then you can check the link below. And also, if you just wanted to get started with Skool, there's also a link below to get started. All right, I'll leave it there, and I'll see you in the next video.